What's going on, guys? My name is Marcel Flores. Welcome to my YouTube channel, One Dapper Street. Welcome to today's video, which is a haul of Walmart's new free assembly brand. Now you might ask yourself, why are we doing this haul today? I've never even heard of free assembly. That's point number one. It's one of Walmart's new brands and they're incredibly affordable, incredibly versatile. They incorporate some organic and recycled materials. And lastly, they have some beautiful colors and pieces. Like I said, ultra versatile that you can assemble freely. That's free assembly. Need I say more? Yes, I do. The video hasn't even started yet. Let's get started with piece number one. First up, this beautiful shirt jacket in a dark navy color. We've got 4 large patch pockets, which I absolutely love. I don't know how long you've been subscribed to the channel. If you're not yet, make sure to change that. You know where to do that. I love pockets on everything. Pretty much. So if you give me a jacket with 4 of them, and it's a shirt jacket which are ultra trending, in a nice lightweight cotton material that's gonna be perfect for layering in the spring and well into the summer, then you got me. This is $40, fits really nicely. I got this in a size medium, I'm 6'2". If you want it to fit a bit more snug and have more of a tailored look, I'd recommend sizing down on this one, but an excellent piece that is ultra versatile. Similar yet different, we've got a bit of a stiffer cotton in this shirt jacket. Once again, here we only have 3 patch pockets, one less. But in a beautiful light blue color. You save $10 on this. This is 30 bucks. And just a really nice kind of like a hybrid between a utility jacket and a shirt jacket. Really great piece. They have a bunch of different colors in these as well, but I really like that light blue. Just because spring's around the corner and we get to embrace color again, and I'm really excited for that. For the same price of $30, you can get either one of these lightweight zipped jackets, kind of like a Harrington style. I really like these. Once again, colors are super fun. We've got a cream that's very predominant in the entire collection, and this beautiful mint green, which you'll see a lot more of, kind of like on me. Not really mint green, but beautiful green tones, beautiful blue tones, and like I said, a lot of tan on the website. I really like these pieces. They're not super tailored, they're not super relaxed, they're just a nice medium slim that is gonna allow you to wear it with more relaxed styles, but also more skinny or slim styles if you prefer to do so. I'm a sucker for anoraks. I rarely wear them, but I always think they're super cool. I always include them, so if you live somewhere where it's fairly rainy or you need a windbreaker, this is a beautiful piece. This is $48, the most expensive piece that we have here on the rack today. We've got a nice gray with a little bit of a purple bluish undertone and then navy up top. So in combination with the navy, I actually really like this. You can easily combine this with other blue tones. You can combine it with white, as you can pretty much anything and everything. As you see in the B-roll clips, I just wore these white pants and kind of everything just goes with that. But a really nice piece, has a nice feel to it, lightweight, doesn't feel so stuffy. I feel like sometimes with windbreakers, you like put it on, you're like, oh my God, get me out of here. This doesn't have that. And then I think it's really dope, the drawstring at the bottom, just to give it a bit more shape, and you can even adjust the opening of the wrist on this. Then a gorgeous mock neck. Honestly, I've never owned a piece like this. It's a push button closure, so not a zipper. It kind of plays into the quarter zip trend movement that we've been seeing. I've been loving them, and this is kind of like the spring equivalent for that, because zipped sweaters are sweaters and they tend to be more of a fall winter fabric. This is a nice dry cotton. Once again in that nice mint color, a bit darker than what we were looking at before. We've got these drawstrings that isn't actually like a drawstring, it's just, I mean, it's a drawstring, but like it's not stretchy, like it's not rubberized, it's just a string. To adjust the bottom of this sweater as well, which gives it a nice little vintagey feel. I feel like there's a bit of a 90s influence on the entire collection that's on the website right now. And then you even get pockets kind of hidden away with the seam, which I think is a really nice detail to add. Then I've got a couple of knit hoodies for you. Number one, cream and gray. Really love this piece. This just screams like, wear me on the beach at a late summer evening, walking down along the shore type vibe to me personally. It's ultra breathable, super lightweight, but has a nice structure to it regardless, which I think is a really dope combination. This costs 30 bucks, just as much as the sweater that we just looked at. We have a little kangaroo pocket, but because the fabric is pretty thin, it doesn't look great if things are in it. You can really easily see that, so this is more of a design piece, which I appreciate just for that. I honestly don't use my kangaroo pockets for a lot of utility. For a couple dollars more, this one is even softer than the one I just picked up. 32 bucks for a beautiful tan colored hoodie with this little design detail across the chest. We've got some lateral stripes. I like that the branding for free assembly is not in your face, it's not crazy. Even the prints are fairly minimal, which allows you to keep these pieces in rotation for season after season and also to combine them with different things. In this case, we can get some inspiration from the piece. We've got some navy lines across here, as well as a little bit of gray and cream. So if you wanted to layer this, these are already obvious cues for you guys to pick colors based on. And if you guys haven't seen my post, I did a little post on Instagram for this collection. My Instagram is @MarcelFlores, link is down below. Check it out, find the post, and check out 3 outfits that I made with the pieces that you already saw. While you're there, leave me a comment saying you came from YouTube and I can say hi to you guys. Then we've got a couple of sweatshirts, one's in blue, like a nice faded medium blue, and then there's that beautiful mint green again. These are $26 each, fit amazingly. This is a size medium, and they fit nice and snug. Like, I feel like oftentimes when I get medium-sized sweatshirts, they tend to be a bit more bulky. Nice and slim fit, you can wear easily a jacket over that without worrying that this bulks up too much, and I just think it's a great deal, you know? Nice little detail up front, 26 bucks. Ultra versatile, what you waiting for? Then we've got a couple of camp shirts. Camp shirts are defined by the collar. As you can see, the most graphically printed piece, I think, on the entire rack. I personally prefer, you guessed it, this mint green version. Both of these are 20 bucks, but if you want to go for something a bit louder, that's great. If you want to go for more of a color pop, this is amazing. Either way, I enjoy wearing my short sleeve shirts buttoned open with t-shirt or white ripped tank top underneath. I personally just don't like the way short sleeve shirts look when they're all the way buttoned up. Personal preference, but I still think a prime destination to cop these shirts if you're into them. I know you've been thinking it the whole time. Damn, that long sleeve he's got on is a super dope piece. Well, time for me to talk about it. This, of course, is also part of the collection. I really, really like this green. It's darker than the mint green, but in combination, I think it looks really, really dope together. And I like green generally speaking. It happens to bring out the green in my eyes, so it's a good color for me personally. I like the vintage retro off-spaced horizontal stripes. Patch pocket, like I already said, big fan. And then if you wanted to go short sleeve on this, I've got a blue option right here. Same thing, nice blue. The blue's a bit more saturated. I think this is a bit more versatility to it, but if you're a blue kind of guy, or you're watching for someone that, you know, you want to dress, they're a blue kind of person, then this is another great option. And then we have two more simple, solid t-shirts. Once again, two beautiful colors. Light blue, light green. I think you guys kind of see like what I was going for on the website. But I really like these pieces, medium relaxed fit, so it's not oversized, it's not super fitted, yet you still can kind of see the body shape underneath. Nice and breathable cotton t-shirts. Moving on to bottoms before I talk about the ones that I have on my legs, which are my favorite ones in here. Let's start with something a bit more simple. Free Assembly has amazing, simple, slim fitting jeans. These black ones I got in a size 30, 32. So these have a bit more of a skinny aesthetic because I sized down. I'm pretty much a true size 31. I wasn't sure whether 32 or 30 would fit me. I think both are cool, but for different fits. So these are nice, true black, slim fits in a 32 length. And then we got these, which are a 32 waist and a 30 length. So a bit more of a cropped look, and then definitely a lot more room throughout the entire leg. I think this is what I'm tending towards more so for the rest of the summer, just a bit more of a relaxed vibe without going like true vintage baggy type jeans. I really, really like these. $27 for both the black ones as well as these ones, I think is an incredible deal. And I've had the black ones. This is not like what I just bought. I wanted to include these. I bought those 5 months ago. Are holding up phenomenally, so I can speak to the quality up until this point as well. Then we have three options that are a bit more comfy, cozy. We've got these denim joggers that are a bit more on the relaxed side. So if you want to wear something that has a bit more of a sporty feel, something that's a bit more comfortable, it's a nice soft denim in a medium blue with a drawstring detail. And then we get the drawstring at the bottom of the leg as well. Really nice piece, just a lot more on the casual side. And then we've got two pairs of shorts. One is a pair of Chino shorts, the other one a pair of, well, jersey shorts, I guess. A really nice jersey fabric. These are $20 and a really nice vibe for at home, but honestly they look structured enough to wear outside the house as well. And then for 18 bucks you got the Chino version, ultra lightweight, fit really nicely. For both of these, I enjoy that they're kind of like this medium, like with the whole collection, honestly. It's a really nice medium slim fit that allows you to just be comfortable, be able to move around and still look nice and sleek. And then last but not least, on my legs, I've got a pair of white Carpenter pants in size 32-30. Once again, we have a bit of that cropped vibe, and I absolutely love these. I've recently just discovered my passion for Carpenter jeans, I guess, and especially white pants. Always love them. Now we're heading into spring. You're gonna see me wearing white jeans, chinos, pants, Carpenter pants all the time. So if you guys want a dedicated video for white bottoms, that sounds wrong. Let me know down below in the comment section. Otherwise, I pretty much wrapped up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little glimpse of Walmart's new free assembly collection. Links are down below for you guys to shop if you loved anything. And I'll see you guys very soon with the next video. Until then, as always, stay dapper. Bye guys.